Hello kids. Today we are going to see 5th class maths second chapter multiply and divide exercises. Okay, that is page number 33. Exercise problems. Each and every problem I'll be showing you. Page number 33 exercise first question. Valli took a loan of rupees 9,750 for farming purposes. She has to pay it back in equal amounts in 6 months. How much will she has to pay every month? Okay, so Valli, she took 9,750 loan, okay, for farming purposes. Oh, okay, in order to do farming, she has taken this much loan. How much she has taken? 9,750. Okay. So this many rupees she has taken loan. Okay. She has to pay it back in equal amounts in 6 months. So in 6 months she has to pay it back equal amounts. So how much she has to pay each month? Okay. So this amount she has to repay in 6 months. So for 1 month, how much she has to pay? So what you have to do? This amount divided by 6. Okay. So you have to do division. Okay. So 9,750 by 6. Okay. Already we have seen division. All you have to do 9,750. This is divisor 6. So how you have to do? This is 9. So this is 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay, so what is the remainder? 3. Now bring this 7 here. 7. Okay, 6. 6 ja 36. So again remainder is 1. So this 5 here. How many times? 6 2s are 12. So what is the remainder here? 3. Again bring this 0 here. So 6 5s are 30. So remainder is 0. So what is the amount? So she has to pay 1,625 rupees. Okay. So this year she has to pay for 1 month. For monthly she has to pay 1,625 rupees. Okay. So while doing this, you frame the sentences. Okay. So first you write, Valli took a loan of rupees 9,750. Okay. She has to pay back in 6 months. So she has to pay for 1 month equals to 9,750 by 6. And solve this right side. Write the answer. She has to pay 1,625 per month. Okay, so like this you have to write. Next, let's see this second one. Second one, 936 apples were plucked from an orchard in a day. They were packed into 12 boxes and sent to the market for sale. If each box contained an equal number of apples, then how many apples were there in each box? So number of apples plucked in a day are 936. So write the sentence. Number of apples plucked from an orchard in a day equals to 936. So how many apples? 936. Okay, that is equals to 936. You write on the sentence here. Okay. Next. They were packed into 12 boxes. So, apples packed into 12 boxes. Each box contained an equal number of apples. So, all the bag. If you take a box, it has some number of apples. And if you take another box, same number of apples are there in that box also. So, in each and every box, equal number of apples were there. Then how many apples were there in each box? So how many apples are there in each box? So number of apples in a box equals to 936 by 12. Okay, so there is nothing but how you'll write 936 divided by 12 means 12 is divisor. You do the division. Okay, so how many times first you take first two digits? 12 is the first two digits. How many times 93? See, 12 7 times how many? How much? 7 1 7 8 84. So 12 7s are 84. Okay. So what is the remainder? Okay, what is the remainder? It is 9. Okay, then here 6 you bring here 6. So 12 8s are 96. Okay, so it will be 8. So 96. So 0. So total how many boxes? 70. Total how many apples? 78 apples. So in each box there are 78 apples. So lastly write down the sentence. Okay, there are 78 apples in each box. Write down that sentence. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, third one, when the apples reached the market, each apple was sold for rupees 14. How much would each box be sold for? Already we have seen in previous problem. One box contains how many apples? One box equals to 78 apples. So if one apple is sold for rupees 14, so one box apples, that is 78 apples, equals to how much amount? So what you have to do? 78 into 14. You have to multiply these two. You will get the answer. So multiplication already we have seen. Okay, 78 into 14. So first what you have to do? First with 4 you do. 4 8s are 32. Yeah, 2, 3 carry. Next 4 7s are 28. 2 8 9 30 31. 3 1 2. Next you keep place here, and next one 1 8s are 8. 1 7s are 7. So add these two. 2 9 10. So what is the answer? So one box. Each box is sold for, you write down, each box of apples are sold for, each box of apples is sold for rupees 1092. Okay, this is the answer. Fourth one, how many dozen bananas are there in 216 bananas? So what do you mean by dozen bananas? How many bananas are there in 1 dozen? 1 dozen equals to 12. Okay, so there are 12 bananas for 1 dozen bananas. So totally how many are there? 216 bananas. So in 216 bananas, how many dozens are there? You have to see. So what do you have to do? 216, how many dozens? Okay, so you have to do 216 by 12. Division you have to do. Okay, so 216 by 12. 216 divided by 12. So how will do? 216. This is 12. So 12 ones are 12. Remainder is 9. Bring the 6 here. 12 8s are 96. 0. So how many are there? 18. So write down the answer. There are 18 dozen bananas in 216 bananas. Okay, answer is 18 dozen. 18 dozens. Okay. Fifth one. How many hundreds are there in 771? How much is remaining? Okay, in 771, how many hundreds are there? Okay, already you know the place values. Okay, so this is units place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Okay, units, tens, hundreds. Okay, you can see in hundreds place how many, which is the digit? 7. So how many hundreds are there? 7. Okay, there are 7 hundreds in 771. Okay, how much is remaining? So see the remaining number. What is the remaining number? This is the remaining number, that is 71. So the remaining number is 71. Okay, write down like that sentence. Okay, write down answer. There are 7 hundreds in 771. The remaining number is 71. Okay, so this is fifth one. Next, sixth question. How many thousands are there in 7645? How much is remaining? Okay, in 7645, how many thousands are there? You write down first places: units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so how many thousands? You can see here under thousand it is 7. So there are 7 thousands. Okay, so 7 thousands in 7645. And how much is remaining? This is the remaining number. Okay, 645. That is the remaining number. Okay, write down the answer. There are 7 thousands in 7645, and the remaining number is 645. Next one, seventh one. How many days are there in 104 weeks? So already we know 1 week equals to 7 days. So 104 weeks is equals to 104 into 7. Okay, so you have to multiply 104 into 7. So 104 into 7. So do the multiplication. 7 4s are already we know. Okay, tables. 7 4s are 28. 7 0s are 0. 7 2 will be coming here. 7 1s are 7. So how many days are there? So therefore in 104 weeks there are 728 days. Okay, next we'll see eighth one. How many weeks are there in 150 days? So already we know. Okay, 7 days equals to 1 week. Okay, so 150 days equals to how many weeks? So what you have to do? That is equals to 150 divided by 7. Okay, so do the division. 157. 7 2s are 7 2s are 14. So 1, the 0 bring here. 7 1s are 7. 3 is the remainder. Okay, so total how many weeks are there? There are 21 weeks, and see here 3 is the remainder, so that is 3 days in 150 days. So answer is 21 weeks. Ninth one. If you read 8 pages in a day, how many days will it take you to reach 120 pages? So 1 day, how many pages you are reading? 8 pages. Okay, so how many days you'll take to read 120 pages? So what you have to do? 120 divided by 8. Okay, if you do 120 divided by 8, you'll be getting number of days. Okay, so 120 divided by 8. So you do the division. 120 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8. 4 remind. So bring the 0 here. So 8 5s are, you'll be getting 40. So 0. 0 is a reminder. So in how many days you'll complete 120 pages? 15 days. So write down the answer. Therefore, it takes 15 days to read 120 pages. Okay. How many days? So 15 days to read 120 pages. Okay. Next, 10th one. There are 21 children in class 1, 24 children in class 2, 32 children in class 3, 30 children in class 4, 18 children in class 5 of Annaram Primary School. The daily cost of the midday meal for each child is 4 rupees. What is the daily cost of the midday meal for the school? What is the monthly cost of the midday meal for the school? So you have to find per child. It is given 4 rupees. So for total school, how much it cost you have to do. So you have to do total school means total how many children are there you have to find out. Okay, for all the classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total how many students are there. So you have to add all these things. Okay, so the daily cost of midday meal for the school is equals to 4 rupees into total children in school. So that is 4 into 21 plus 24 plus 32 plus 30 plus 18. So this total, add these things, will be getting 115. Okay, so total number of students in school is 115. So 4 into 115. Okay, so you multiply this and tell me the answer. Okay, try to multiply 115 into 4. So 4 5s are, yes, 20. 4 1s are 4. 6. 4 1s are 4. So 460. Sorry, 460 rupees. So this is per day. Okay, now you have to find per month. So per month how much? Per month, what you have to do? 460 into monthly you'll be having 30 days. So into 30. So you have to do 460 into 30. 0, 0, 0. With next plus 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 13. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 3, 1. So that is nothing but 13,800 and 800 rupees. This is rupees. So this is for monthly. Okay, for total school. So form the sentence and write down. Okay, first we write daily cost for midday meal for the school is 460 rupees. Next, monthly cost for the midday meal for the school is 13,800 rupees. Okay, so this is 10th one. We'll see the last one. 11th one. A roll of Siricilla cloth contains 79 meters of cloth. Okay, so one roll of Siricilla cloth is 79 meters of cloth. Pochampalli cloth contains 56 meters of cloth. Siricilla cloth is sold for rupees 128 a meter. So 128 rupees per meter Siricilla cloth is sold. And Pochampalli cloth is sold for 217 rupees per meter. Okay. If both the rolls are sold by the shopkeeper within the month, then how much money has he received on the sale? So if both rolls are sold, how much money he receives for that sale? Okay. So money for Silsila roll is how much for total roll? It contains 79 meters and per meter it is 128. Okay, 79 meters of cloth and 128 meters per meter. 128 rupees per meter. So you have to multiply 79 and 128. Okay. So you'll be getting this much that you try to do. Similarly for Pochampalli roll, 217 into 56. You'll be getting 12,152. This is 10,112. So total money received is by adding these two you'll be getting. So add these two and final answer you'll be getting this. Try to solve this on your own. Okay, multiplication, do it and check the answer here. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so by this we complete this chapter. Exercise problems also. If you have any doubts you can comment. I'll try to reply you. Okay, bye kids, have a nice day.